The Clarke JS1224Li Jumbo 7000A 1224V Jumpstart with a lithium-ion battery delivers powerful emergency starting performance in a compact and portable design. Ideal for workshops, recovery use, and roadside emergencies, it provides reliable starting power whenever it's needed most. Powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, it is capable of starting both 12 and 24-volt vehicles, making it suitable for a wide range of petrol and diesel engines. It delivers strong starting performance even on larger vehicles. An integrated LED torch provides additional visibility when working in low light conditions. Designed for versatility, it also features a USB output for charging mobile phones, cameras, and other portable devices. Clear LED indicators display battery status and operating conditions, helping ensure safe and straightforward use in all situations. The Clarke JS1224Li Jumbo is a reliable emergency solution for professional and everyday use.